Hey, I'm excited about this one. This one we're introducing 4 pads. Let's get right into it. Open up that kit that you got from the website. Load up the kick, and we're gonna choose the 10 boot kick, and I'm gonna put that on pad 1. After I do that, I'm gonna load up the snares, and I'm gonna load up the YPB clap spike, that's what it's called. Go ahead to the hi-hats. I'm gonna choose hop. What we're gonna do differently is we're gonna put hop on 1 and 2. If you have an MPC Live or MPC, you can just copy the pad over by simply clicking on the pad, copy, clicking the screen until it highlights, select it when it turns red like that, do it, now you got 2. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is I wanna do a quick warm up with you to get the hands working. We'll just use the metronome for this, just for the quick warm up, and then after that, we're taking the training wheels back on off. You can feel free to follow along. Faster. Slower. Slow. Really fast. The main goal of having the hi-hats and the 2 separation is for this to be on a separate beat, a separate motion. Like this hand right here is a metronome by itself. It keeps this hand on beat, but they work completely different. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna build up, we're gonna listen to the loop. The loop's gonna be our metronome. For the loop, make sure the loop is cornbread salsa. And that's gonna be in the loops. We're gonna break it down with the hi-hats first, build into the kick, add the snare. Let's do it. Hi-hats. Kick. Snare. That's that build right there. See, it already sounds full just off 4 pads. We'll start it off together. Cue that loop. And I'm gonna tell you when to bring the hi-hats in. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Pinchers out. About to drop that snare. That's basically the breakdown of introducing the 4 pad. It's a workout thing. It's a muscle memory thing. Practice, practice, practice is all I can tell you. It's easier just to not even look at it and just keep it going over there. Just nonchalant. Start reading a book. Start, pick up something. Just practice. Just keep that going. As soon as hand's gonna join in and be like, "What's up?" I hope you guys enjoyed that. Practice, practice, practice. I don't want to overload you because this little stuff is going to set you up for the bigger stuff. I appreciate you guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.